Today, we will be conducting a Ford F53 stock chassis test. Our mission: to take the rock and roll out of a Ford F53. Okay, let's do this.
Yeah!
This test measures how a coach will handle under emergency conditions. Driving the coach today is Robert Henderson. He has over 30 years of experience. Robert is an expert at the wheel. Please do not attempt what you are about to see. Now let's see that in slow motion. The stock Ford F53 leans dangerously at a 21-degree angle while driving at 50 miles an hour. This is not a safe condition to find yourself in, especially if you had to make a sudden lane change. The tale of this coach is wagging the dog. Rock and roll is fun, but not in a motorhome. This happens a lot when the rear end of the coach tends to oversteer to one side or the other. Notice the slow recovery and sway. Here the coach leans at 19 degrees when at 30 miles per hour. Erratic driving of a motorhome tends to be noticeable by other drivers. Fortunately, we had the full support of local law enforcement. Next, we head back to the shop to install parts. Let's install some parts. Radius rods, front heat-treated sway bar, rear track bar, dual rear sway bars, Koni Evo shocks installed front and rear, and a Safe T Plus steering dampener installed on the front. Now it's time to put this fully equipped Ford F53 through the same drive test. Notice how the coach snaps back. Wow! Let's see that again in slow motion. A real and measurable difference. From 21 degrees to 10 degrees at the same 50 miles per hour, and a whopping 52% less body roll. Goodbye rock and roll. Much better control over tail wag and rut tracking of the coach. There's not very much body lean when cornering anymore. This makes driving back roads or navigating city traffic much more enjoyable. What a real difference. We learned a lot during this stock Ford F53 test, especially after the upgrades were installed. There's a big difference between a stock motorhome and one that has been fully upgraded at Henderson's lineup. It's much like the handling difference between driving a base model Suburban compared to a Cadillac Escalade. The difference between a stock Mustang and a supercharged Mustang GT. As shown in this video, body lean was reduced by 58% at 30 miles per hour. And at 50 miles per hour, there was 52% less body roll. By taking your RV to Henderson's lineup, you can look forward to some incredible benefits. Here are just a few. Greatly reducing coach porpoising. Rut tracking and tail wag are no longer an issue. Reduced body lean during normal driving. Lastly, wind buffeting and undulating road surfaces had very little effect. All these benefits can be yours and more when you bring your RV to Henderson's lineup. After all, we've been providing safer and happier driving since 1961. To learn more or to schedule your very own road performance assessment, visit us online at hendersonslineup.com.